Subscribe to Dump Theft.
Of drivers who they say routinely shut down the intersection.
Simone says despite some police response, the group keeps coming back. This video posted November 11th.
Anybody calls and sees that type of activity, we will respond. It is something that we're responding to.
Tells us they are in the operational phase of trying to stop these groups, engaging in what they call swinging and describe as reckless and illegal behavior.
What up, YouTube? It's your boy TAOTRONICS with another video, and today we're heading to Ruiz's shop. Once again, we're going to be checking on the Mamalona guys. I have some stuff to drop off, like fog lights, new steering wheel cover. I bought a shock for the tailgate. I'll explain more things once I get there. I'm also going to explain what I'm doing, or what the truck is doing at Ruiz's, and it's pretty much going to be Las Vegas Truck Invasion crunch time, guys. So May 15th is Las Vegas Truck Invasion. I'm gonna be there. Catch me there if you guys are there. If you guys are coming, make sure to say what's up. Give you guys a shout out in the vlog. But yeah, guys, it's crunch time for the show. We're gonna be doing a lot of things for the truck, so hopefully we can get that done for the show. I'll catch you guys when I get to the shop. If you guys didn't know, I sold the fenders with the tubs, and I traded for some stock ones plus cash, and I'm gonna redo my tubs a little bit higher, and I'm gonna shave the firewall on the side so it looks more clean, and then I'm also gonna do the firewall. So I'm gonna tub the firewall, do all that cool stuff. But yeah, guys, that's what it looks like for now. I came in, dropped off Bull's plaque. That's gonna get welded to the bed. It's gonna look pretty sick. My shrouds, those are the ones that used to be right here, guys, covering this. We're just gonna remake them with the thicker steel, make them look more clean. We're also gonna be doing a doghouse. We're gonna be getting rid of this coolant reservoir and getting a little billet one, and pretty sure there's other stuff. Oh yeah, we're gonna redo the back half of the suspension. I'm going 3-link, and we're gonna relocate the bags. I got a new manifold system for the airbags because right now I'm running valves. Can't really tell, but there's like some valves back here. I'm gonna be running with the manifold system. Those aren't mine. But yeah, guys, stay ready for some new videos coming of shit getting done. We got your boy Pinky over here working on his truck. Ruiz is up here, always working on shit. This is pretty much the manifold system right here, guys. Pretty sick. The computer's gonna be running through here to connect with the switches. I'm gonna be putting this shock, tailgate shock, so the tailgate, when I open it, it doesn't slam, it just slowly goes down. Got this new steering wheel cover, it's like a black suede. Gonna be getting rid of this red one. We got the fog lights, and then we still got the spacers. We still got the rear spacers we're gonna put on. So just some goodies. We got the 2-low for Fat Bitch's truck over here. Looks like he got a new bed. Took off his diff, 4-link. He's gonna get it power coated. He's got all them power windows, all done by Ruiz. Check out his dad's shop, Renew Auto Body, for any paint work, guys. We also got the boys over here at High Owl that do paint work. We got the homie Pedro over here. What's up, boy? And of course we got the main guy Ruiz over here working on all these trucks. You don't miss your step side? But yeah, just gonna get some work done, guys. We're gonna also bed liner the whole bed once the doghouse and everything gets cut up and redone. I'm not gonna paint the truck just yet though. So we'll be pulling up to the show with 3 colors. Obviously the white, the blue, and the green. Call me the tricolor. That's the new name of the truck. We're also gonna be taking off these grill inserts. I don't fuck with the look, so we're gonna take those off. I might buy a new HD pad. This one's fucked up from when I got hit by something on the freeway. I might just replace it, might as well. But yeah, guys, stay tuned, stay tuned. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Check this truck out right here, fully bagged. Woo.
Subscribe to Dope Stuff.
Perfect.